Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need a working SIM and carrier details before you begin. This prevents service loss. Once ready, open Settings, tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Network to reveal APN fields. You'll see sections for cellular data, LTE/4G, MMS, and personal hotspot. Each matters. Make a quick screenshot or write down every existing entry so you can revert. This first step establishes a safe baseline and gets you straight into editing the exact fields your carrier requires. Now enter the values your carrier provided: APN, username, password, MMSC, MMS proxy, and APN type if present. You must type exactly. Capitalization and dots can be significant. If a field is meant to be blank, leave it empty rather than entering placeholders. Once done, exit Settings. iOS typically applies changes automatically. Make sure mobile data and roaming toggles are set as your plan requires. If you're configuring hotspot, confirm the personal hotspot APN matches the carrier instructions. After saving, restart the iPhone to force a fresh connection to the carrier. This often resolves lingering registration issues. Then test by loading a web page, sending an MMS, and enabling the hotspot if configured. If data still fails, recheck each field for typos and correct case, then restore your backup values and retry. If issues persist, contact your carrier. They may push a carrier profile or have network-side settings. A single typo is the most common culprit, so double-check carefully.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.